Boom. Good morning, guys. Today's video is something that I have never filmed before and I'm super excited about because it's summertime and that means it's time to spice up our outfits, try a little harder. We have time to actually get ready in the morning and I love that. So today I'm super excited to be working with Princess Polly. I'm going to be doing an outfits of the week video where I show you guys what I wear during the summertime and maybe take you on a little snippet of my day. Just basically what I've been up to this summer. You guys know I love Princess Polly and I love working with them because they have such unique clothes that are actually so fun to style. If you guys want to find some new stuff for summer, be sure to use my code LOVEKIARA20 for 20% off your order. Princess Polly also has free 2-day shipping for all US orders over $50 and AfterPay, which is a great way for you guys to break up your payments. Let me show you really quickly an overview of what I got from Princess Polly and I'll show you guys how I put it together. This is the outfit that I'm wearing today. It's all from Princess Polly. We have this adorable graphic tee and it says Sweet Dreams. I paired it with these high-waisted shorts. These are really nice because they're a little bit longer. Also, I'm wearing this scrunchie. Here are some of the pieces that I picked out. I'm seriously obsessed with everything right now. This is a really fun skirt. It's got this cool diagonal zipper down it. I thought this would be super cute with this tank. It says New York in embroidery. And then this is a really beautiful shirt. It's a nice light pink with another embroidery design on it. I love Princess Polly because their stuff isn't super cheesy and I hate when graphic tees are cheesy. And then this is a swimsuit. I'm kind of like branching out of my comfort zone. I got a high-waisted swimsuit, which I've never really worn before, but I just couldn't resist the polka dots. This is a super nice bodysuit. It's a nice white material. It's super soft. And then Princess Polly also has a ton of cute jewelry on their site. So this is a beautiful layered gold necklace, and I don't have anything like this, so I think I'm going to be wearing this a ton. Here's two more scrunchies that I got. This one is the matching set to the tan one that I'm wearing on my wrist. And then I also got this light blue one, which I thought looked super cute with this shirt. And guys, I love this graphic tee so much. It's oversized and it says no rain, no flowers, and I just thought it was cute because it always rains in Oregon. I got a black and a white Princess Polly basic tee. These are a little bit cropped, but they're longer, so you can just wear them every day with high-waisted bottoms, and they're super soft and comfy. I have this shirt in yellow as well, and I just had to get two more. I picked up this bag. It's in this beautiful light pink color, and this holds so much. I can fit my vlog camera, my wallet, my sunglasses, my keys, and my little tripod for my camera all in this bag. I think it's super nice, and it has a little tassel as well. And then this is also something I'm super excited about. You guys know I'm going to Spain and I got this cool skirt. I don't really own too many of these longer skirts, but this one hits at just the right point. So I'm really excited to be wearing this. I also got this little white tank. It's just a good basic to pair with shorts or skirt that I have. This is one of their lounging sets. It's in this light gray color and it's ribbed. I also got this shirt, short sleeves, kind of a linen material, and it's in a beautiful mauve color. I love that it's printed, so it's a little bit unique, but it's not overbearing. And then you can just tie it in a bow or you can tie it around your waist. Then I also put a bunch of stuff in here, all of the dresses. I just decided to hang up so they wouldn't get as wrinkly. But this, I've been seeing this dress on the website for so long and I finally got it. I got this for Spain. It's a linen material and it's another kind of wrap thing, but this is actually a romper. I swear Princess Polly has the cutest dresses on their website. This is one of my favorite things that I got. It's got a little slit at the bottom and it's this cute green and cream printed dress. I love it because you can dress these up or dress it down, which I think is super nice for the summertime. Let's see if I can put this back appropriately. This is another dress that I just fell in love with on the website. It's such a nice material and it's really unique. I picked up this t-shirt dress. This is an oversized t-shirt that you can wear as a dress and I love this. One of the last things that I got is this romper and it's a long sleeves white romper. It has a little tie that cinches at the waist. Those are all the clothes that I got, and then I also picked up two pairs of shoes. I have never had shoes fit me so well. I got these sneakers. They're a chunky white tan combination. They're just simple. They go with everything and they look super cute. And then these, guys, I could cry. I love these shoes so much. And I love that they have a strap around the ankle so my feet don't slide out. And they're really comfortable. Like they have the added height, but they're cushy right here. Today I'm going on a photo shoot with Steph, so I'm sure I'm going to show you a couple of these outfits and how I styled them. This is what I'm wearing so far. I'm just working and lounging around the house. Taylor and I came back to Eugene for a couple days just to have a little staycation in our apartment. We couldn't stay away. We're out here at a random undisclosed location with Steph, our photographer, and T1. Found this cute fence and field.
Oh, look how ugly the rest of the background is.
Don't see behind.
It's cute over here.
I paired this nice little cream skirt with this graphic tee and my favorite shoes. These are so comfy. T1's wearing the fit.
Ew.
And we're kind of matching, honestly. Like we kind of look good together.
It's a sin to go at night. Blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sun.
Guys, Steph has done it yet again. Go follow her on Instagram. Seriously, I'm gonna go post like all the photos. Then they can see the other outfits too. So I'll just put them in a series. Follow me on Instagram, follow Steph, follow T1. We'll see you later. And I'm out. Did you know T1 is an angel? Just a secret between us.
Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Here's some booze, fuel teenage ground. Running from pub to club like bloodhounds.
Good morning, guys. Today is the next day and I'm actually just having a relaxing Saturday, and I tried on this swimsuit from Princess Polly and I am literally in love with it. I've never worn a high-waisted swimsuit before and I always thought like, oh, it would look weird on me, but this is so cute and the material is super soft, which I love. I'm gonna meet up with my big Lucy and we're just gonna go down to the lake and tan and relax. Guys, today is Sunday. I'm just having kind of a chill day. Today is actually my 5-year anniversary on YouTube. I'm about to run a bunch of errands. I'm going to show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this cute little gray top from the 2-piece set and then these blue jean shorts, and then I paired it with this purse. I've been loving this purse so much. I'm also wearing my favorite sandals. I'm gonna go run some errands. I'll bring you guys along and show you a little bit of my day. It's so crazy that I have been making videos on here for 5 years. I just want to enjoy the day, be sentimental about how cute you guys are and all of your comments. I'm gonna spend like a couple hours today just replying to comments. Yeah, that's what I want to do. That's how I want to spend the day.
When you go, leave me here.
Errand running went well and now I'm starving, so I'm gonna go get some food. Got a couple things done that I really needed to, and I met a subscriber from University of Oregon, so it was really cool. Today on the menu, we have my favorite sandwich, and then this is balsamic hummus. It's so good. I've got baby carrots there. And a pickle spear because I love pickles. That's today's lunch. It's delicious. I'm just getting some sun right now because I feel like I haven't been outside enough. I think the rest of the day I'm just gonna be working.
No more playing with.
Good morning, guys. Today is the next day and my dad and I are actually going car shopping because I have been in the market to purchase a new car. Stay tuned for a video all about that because I'm gonna be filming my experience, but I thought I would show you the outfit today. I'm wearing the same shorts that I wore yesterday, but I just cuffed them so they're a little bit shorter, and then this just white basic crop tee and this purse, which I've been using every day. That's the outfit, and let's go.
When I told you, then I need to hold you.
We've reached our destination. Let's see what we can find.
Right.
Yeah, I'll take the Tesla for a spin. Look at the doors. That's fancy.
You're getting in and out easy.
Got all the goods. This is this 2016 Audi Q5 and it's white. 29,000 miles. This is a white Audi with a light interior and it has a little sunroof. I don't know if they make the moon roofs on these things, you know? Doesn't make sense.
Because it's so short.
Right, right. I think this is the screen, but I don't know how it comes up.
That is the screen, yeah.
Right. Interesting. Uh-oh, father. Yeah, yikes. But I like it. It's definitely comfortable.
You're down in here a little ways. This door side is quite hot.
Right.
You ready to go?
Okay. Yes, ready.
Back into your room again.
Hey guys, I just realized I forgot to end this week in my life of summer outfits. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and coming along. I apologize if this video was like sort of scattered. I'm in the process of filming so many different videos right now, so I hope you guys enjoyed it and loved seeing what we got. A big shout out to Princess Polly for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to get some new cute like summer finds and check out their website, be sure to use the code LOVEKIARA20 for 20% off your order. DM me pictures of what you guys ordered. I'm wearing, again, my favorite shoes from Princess Polly. They look like this and everyone's like, where did you get those? This shirt, and I feel like I showed this to you guys. It's like the embroidered one that has the little hand on it with the sparkles. So that's today's outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it to this point in the video, let me know what time you went to bed last night. I was supposed to go to bed at 11 and I went to bed at like 12:18, which is a randomly exact number, but it's true. Adios.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night